You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. Hey, we make it to 2025, you know. I want you to realize that we have the opportunity to do greatness. And this is the start, the beginning of 2025. More, the Lord will cover everybody, cover my family members. Because as me, I say, we have family. You know what I mean? Everybody will check in, whether by sending me a Happy New Year. You know what I mean? Just all these comments, I appreciate them. I see them. I mean, trust me, when I say, see every one of them, you get because them so much. And me, I get there, man. I'm getting there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, once again, thanks for the phone calls, for the comments, for the like, for the share, for just being here for me. You know what I mean? I'm a thankful. And for that, this a movie is the first one for 2025, and officially I'm definitely, you know what I mean, I'm gonna do episode 2. And hey, for all them people who are say from episode 1 come out, episode 2 and 3 now come out, watch me on this a year. Hey, I'm gonna be the difference. I'm gonna be the change. So guess what? If I that you don't want, me I put in some work for you. So thank you again. As I say, you know yourself, the ones that will definitely send some heavy. How can I say now? Some you know them memes, they happy New Year, and just make sure it's something good every morning, the morning prayer them and so forth. Then the thing that I thank you. Because you know say me is a God fearing youth and all them something there. So bless upon yourself and thanks again for the support. I think we chat too much. Watch the movie. Yeah.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
No, my youth, I know lamb no do them do something there. But see how homes me there, youth, I have to just wait until me come out. Give me around 4 or 5 days, and 4 or 5 days me have left to come out. So what you want me do? You want to make things bad for me? Just go on easy, man. Just go and relax yourself. So I pray you go on differently on the ground. It can't come with so foolishness, That is it, man. 4 or 5 days, just make that go off, that's it. Anyways, I know I say, I'm going to use the bathroom door. So here what? Just give me 5 to 10 minutes, I call her back. Aye.
Wow, this is and there's a cool door. No sun, no outside. More credits. I have to go live, go play a tune, man.
Girl, how happened? Why is that? Every time I hear say you choose to come sit down. Palm me black ya so me ends.
I know say you build somewhere over here, so anybody can sit down anywhere they want to sit down.
Oh, so badness you push.
Me not show badness, but me attack truth.
Cause you come like say you must want me fist in your mouth or give you one uppercut. To make you know who you are deal with. Cause I not think you know who you are deal with.
I mean there so or somebody else have to the years so can't me attack. I could never me attack. I have to joke camera. Prank me right now.
Hello, hey girl, you're lucky, you know. You're lucky. Hello.
I'm always lucky.
Alright, give me a second.
Why after today? Why today plan to sit down?
Yo, bro, right now, it come like some have to go back in that business, you know. Cause this girl just, one girl they over here so come like saying just want to come stress out my little brain. You know, say every minute, the girl come sit down for my block. And me alone sit down under this, you know. Up to them girl and them boy, they were so afraid of me. All you know say boy, they can't converse, but they're still afraid of me. This girl now come like he want to come broke my meds and a 4 days me have to left to come out as so. So what this a girl want me to do you? He come like this a girl want me go back for remanding. A remanding she want me go up on you know? Remanding.
Oh my God. I don't understand what really are going on here, so.
Mommy, now you tell me about if you take it easy, you know, because this a girl just a draw me right now. I wonder the girl know who I deal with. Eh? Wonder if the girl know who me really be. Eh, bro, girl? Bro, I'm tell you, yo. You see, right now, I'm going to go back over here to you know, because right now, I'm there going to go. You know what? I'm going to teach a girl Alice. Hey, girl. I'm like, see, I'm going to take this and lick. You know me? You know who me? You know what, ya? What is for me, Father God? How are you bad for? Me lick ya? Watch ya? Father God, what is for me? Me spin me roll. Can I come like say? Watch ya? Girl, how are you?
You remind me of my big sister.
Me remind you of your sister.
Yes.
So, what is your sister? What happened to your sister? What she did?
I see him say she did a behave one time I broke her buckle and lick her in her head.
Back cover.
That's
You know about the badness then, man. You know about the badness. So tell me something, don't ball now, no. Anyways, everybody have their own rough patch. So, me can't tell us enough to cry. But guess what? What you think with it? You think we are no normal high school? This is a high school, you have things what we do. You understand? So, just go and take it easy. You can't hold this spot there for today. Now grow on so come my class soon start. Here, so you can stay yourself and go and cry. So, I got class here later. But bro, today I have let you know. And me man, me happy. That's what I call about. Hello, girl. Why you look so sad today again?
No, teacher tell me if it take out me hair and put them a sitting in my head like she feel say me a baby or something.
And that me in a detention to you know. The hair. But me not take out my hair. Cause enough money them pay if you do this. I see it, Pupani. You can now pamper hairstylist.
Well, they have to put me in the detention because me not take out me hair. And me go care about this girl teacher because me no baby. No. It expensive for your day here and then for go take off and put in them and sitting there. I clip them here, you know.
Then are you that be there for put in them there? Oh. My girl, let me tell you something. You can't make them a people get to your head. You see me? Cause let me tell you something, you know. Them a get paid from the government for we, you know. So you see certain levels where them want me to bow down to, that could never work. Never. In my lifetime, that could never work. You hear me? I tell you so. Them a tell you if you do that, is a no. I stay in a detention. Cause me nah put no clip in a me head like me a picnic for true. I must say mad.
Oh. Go care about go teacher.
Because
I don't know what me did take in the first place for. I true me never want to be disrespectful, you know, because no care about.
Alright, yeah, got it. Alright, put a smile on your face. Can't get up every day and sad like that. Remember, so we there, so you know, because we do things. So
we have to do so for a reason. But anyway, later, I'll see you around.
Yeah. I don't have to wonder if she really do things or she not do nothing at all. Because every meet a bad like a some cry baby. Bro.
Sister, you are going with?
There, no, I'm going easy.
You have yourself?
Yeah, bro, yeah, so I be myself.
You know that smile in your eye, everything you want to smile in.
No, bro, I be myself, because I guess I remember say days I'm a count down, you know. So, alright, so every minute I get up, check the days them, so I go and ease myself, bro, you know. But, anyways, though, I'm not going to tell you no, like, you know, so I can't tell you like.
Lord of mercy, what you going to tell me now? What going on?
Why, you know, say, I want girl from where some man.
What you do to him?
Me not do nothing yet, you know, bro. Me not do nothing yet, and me not go do nothing. It's that every time this girl come under my spot, under a tree right there, so my eyes are sit down. Every minute this girl just a stalk me so.
What you mean stalk you?
Like, she knows that she not supposed to sit down on my block there so. And my block there so. So she not supposed to go there, but it's like she a try to show me something. So, me not tell her like me take up one broad piece of sitting.
Some pity must not lie you tell me.
No, I'm serious, bro. Why would I tell her like me take up one broad piece of something? And by the time I go,
the principal says she want to talk to me, you know. The woman or the place says she want to talk to me because I something I don't know. And I cannot carry out?
Yeah, listen, you know, listen.
Tell me because I'm nervous.
I'm nearly go so room. And you see by the time, I wall up his so. Now you would have cast same time and got up on the inside. Because guess what now? You see afterwards, me I come back now, bro. The girl start ball.
What mean she start ball like that?
The girl start look up for me and start ball.
You fling something lick in her head before you reach
up. No, bro, me no did nothing at all and the girl start ball. Me I feel say what kind of mental home this mean. What kind of something this mean, bro?
You sure say I want coconut tree and you drop I want coconut drop in her head and knock him?
Bro, me say no drop in her head,
so brother. So she just start ball, so?
He just start ball. You understand? So anyways now, when he start ball now and sit now, I'm go up there now and I spin my roll. And I say, Father God, how could I cause this? I say, girl, how are you? She say, me remind her of her sister. So me I say, me, what is your sister? What is your sister? Where your sister there? Yeah, what she go say now, bro? I see somebody broke one back and slap her in her head. I make she drop out like that. That's what I say. Eh.
So she. That's why she there, sir.
Yeah,
But
bro.
you tell nobody why you're there?
No?
Make sure you tell nobody.
No, sir.
Don't lose your focus over here, sir. Next 2 days, you're out of the place, sir. You understand me?
Bro,
I
God,
say?
me
And
know, yeah.
remember, say, when you come out of the place, the mentality have got to change. Me not tell you, say, you know, me, don't go a road certain way, but me tell you, that the way the home you talk, man, you want people to hear me. You can't go a road that way. You understand me? I say?
Bro, remember saying no.
Ease off.
Remember
Cool
saying
out.
no. Sometimes places change you. I get what me I say.
You pray in the morning
So,
time. You read the Bible.
me read my Bible,
The only
man.
way you can change.
Me read my Bible,
Nobody
bro.
feels even meet nobody and link up with nobody, you can change. You have to read the Bible and have an internal change. You understand me? I say? But see, you wanna give me a signal, so do your thing. Remember now, you know, next 2 days. Just don't do nothing. Stay far from the mad girl. If that's the case. You hear me say?
Yeah, me
Sister,
just...
you hear me say, sister,
Yeah,
stay
bro,
far
me...
from the mad girl there.
Me hear what
Alright.
you say. Me just gonna make sure just take his spot.
Yeah, make you take a spot. Because
Cause...
you soon left the spot.
Yeah, me just make him take his spot. Cause me well want to come out, you know, bro. Got me
That's
happy.
cool,
You,
man. That's
you,
cool,
you
man.
say, you see that food
That's
when them
cool,
a
man.
cook it don't taste good, bro.
What you want? The first meal or what you want? What your first meal go on?
KFC.
What's that Kentucky, man? Alright, we say again, yeah?
Yeah.
Ay,
What's that one?
what the hell? Me not even did get your name.
Oh, you know, say. Thank my name Becky, but they call me Beck.
Oh,
So, you hear me just right?
your name Becky, but then call her Beck.
Yeah.
My name Marka.
Alright.
I would have come visit you. No, nobody saw me a fast in your business or nothing, but true, nobody never come visit me or nothing like that.
You know, say, really and truly, I don't want nobody to pray out me. I don't want nobody to pray out me thing or ask me nothing.
No, nothing like that. Me not pray at a thing. I don't nothing like that. I just because nobody never come look for me, but it's alright. Me try. It good. Me try.
Alright, come here, come here. Come here. Boy, sometimes I have to remember, you know, say, and like everybody me feel really treat like dog. But me just want you to know, say, I grew up rough. Gangster me I tell about. You see me, but
Me understand. Me understand when you say everything now, but me try to be a friend, but obviously you don't want me to be a friend. And another thing, 2 days me have your son left back. I mean I have nowhere to go. Me not all of my family there, nobody now want to see me because of the incident what happened with me and my sister. So me kinda stress out right now. Me not even know. Probably a roadside me go depend on me left right.
girl, wake up, man, wake up. Wake up. 2 more days me having a too.
You too lie.
I swear, girl, 2 more days. You see the question you ask me, I go, who come check me? I'm a brother that. I mean, I talk about no pam brother what I read me. I talk about blood brother. Come check me. 2 more days, girl. So, you say, you know, know if you go on. Don't worry about that.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure, don't worry about that.
So you sure say your brother go one stranger to come live with him?
Just stop in as the man me talk to him. No, my brother stay. See my brother have a soft heart. My heart weak to people. You understand? So when you come out to people, he's weak. So, so anyways.
Anything else, sir?
Now later, yeah?
Later, I got class.
Yeah.
You sure say this go? You sure say better go allow me to come with you?
Girl, just relax yourself, no, man. And me run certain things, no. No matter of fact, me run everything.
Remember, say better no know nothing about me, you know me. So, I'm scared.
Girl, where's your Gigi? You say if you calm down yourself, everything will be alright.
Alright, anything else about?
Come
You
like you
did
not
tell him
believe
about
me.
me?
And that me I go to know.
So how you have to do it for the appointed time? Lord
Girl, what me
Jesus,
just tell
him
her
go
say?
say no.
What me just tell her say? No worry yourself, everything I gonna be alright. Actually, me don't want to chat certain things, you know. I understand? I'm just I get free out of so and this a wall down, dirty place. Wall down, yes. Anyways,
Look like I'm not talking.
everything will be alright. As we said, just go and come see. Shut outside, road forward. Watch out now. Stay here so there from there.
Come here, sis.
Girl, here man, relax now.
General. You back the man, sure. Go around.
Watch out now, bro.
What now?
Yeah, I seen it for a reason with the boy, you know.
Come talk to me now, what?
Alright. I see you, girl. What me there tell her about that day? You know, say she come out just like me today and she not know if to stay. So, but they tell her, I say, I can't come for my black man.
Jesus Christ, man. I just feel say, I know say something like this, but I hope say that you're telling me what your mouth, you know. But you love to trust people, so. We don't know what's going on already. Why you make it seem like you don't understand the circumstances of what's going on, you know. You're there already, you do your time. What you want, do time with somebody else again?
No, bro. I know say
And that girl that way, so?
yes.
Jeez, I'm pity much. You see she look like she.
Bro, come on, man. Everybody
Hot
deserve
girl,
us.
that, you know. Mean say that them girl you can't really trust like that. A girl in the street. Right now, we don't know if they gonna carry out 10 man come in your yard. And that you want? Girl, look for her. A girl on the road. You know, can't see it. Look at her here. Right now, I can't see her something. But look, what kind of hairstyle that?
No, your style like mine.
No, feel different. Yo, me tell you, man. It's the people act normal, they can see it. Because guess what now? You choose black because you think normal. She want to stand out because what? She got color bright here. Why she look so much attention for the first place?
Bro, you know, say, bro, where you going for here, fan?
Yeah, because
talk about here, bro.
I judge the person based on how them choose stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, listen.
Low profile person. Come on, man. I mean, what you say? What you say?
Bro, everybody deserve a second chance, just like me now. I want a second chance is me get right.
Me don't call it fourth chance or fifth chance.
Alright, fourth and fifth chance. The girl in do something and that is in the past. I know she not know if you stay and my heart has a help her, so it's not like me I trust people every minute. My heart I tell me if it help her. Bro, just come
How
on.
long she gonna stay around? How long you play? I ain't reach so far yet. You just plan to play it by ear and then whenever. That type plan?
Me just gonna make she stay till she get up back on her foot them.
Remember this, you know, remember some me control certain things for you, you know. Why? Because you trust me. If you never trust me in the first place, you won't allow me to control for your money and where you go do your work and rating for you know, enough things that people see me with, you know, like other vehicle, a fear vehicle. Nobody knows I fear vehicle, listen. But at the end of the day, me I say, you have to trust me all the way, sis. Can you trust me? But here I'm going to do still. I just done said to me, say, as something I use, I first be use a word about your heart. I use a heart in a certain things. And that means that you get to you then. And your trust are, you know, on different dimensions. So make you know, like you're planning it out already.
Yeah, bro.
So basically what? She a wait for coming in the car, not true? Is that a one?
Eh?
She a wait for coming in the car. Can you tell her so she can come already, not true?
Yeah, bro, me tell her say me want talk to you cause me know say everything will be alright. That me tell her.
But the thing is, Beck, talking to me about something and making a decision before you talk to me is like, you know, it's like a tomato and onion. You understand me? I say two different things. But as me I say, me trust you and you know say if I that say can we work together a long time and we understand each other. And then the first time in a long time you hear talk about your trust from your heart. So obviously he's a nice person. So
yeah,
me
bro.
now judge her. See?
Connect to her, you know.
Alright.
What?
Call her forward and
That
ready.
is it.
Go on, call her now.
Yo,
You see she now look. Go on, call her.
bro, the style I can't bother with fear. No. Tell you, so everything will be alright.
You sure?
Oh God, this is them sure.
We have to make sure because people use the things and deep down inside and know that they mean.
You say everything alright. Right now you get through. You can come home with me and things. You understand? So stop and worry yourself. As we say, if we don't trust you,
Anything you say, just me happy still in but me just want to make sure say your brother alright with all of this. Me feel happy inside but it now come outside.
well, I mean run things, you know.
So who are older one?
I'm my older one. But no worry about that. You know so really and truly though. I'm not used to people that ask me so much questions and I look at question thing. I'm not too deal with it, you know.
Sorry about that. Just because when me over here from me I see you wanna talk. And how your brother feels so make me say, Lord Jesus Christ, run for this now go work out. So me all have to turn me back. You know see?
Yo, girl, come on.
You sure? Alright, me come.
Yo, grow on my back seat. I grow on so.
My name is Bruno. Bruno, what's your name?
Marika.
Wow.
Welcome home, sis.
Home sweet home.
Tell her. Yeah, man, we can't put on the back. What era? The same thing we tell about my vehicle, so I go start one thing and come back. So I soon for yeah?
Alright, do
Just,
it.
just make sure you get settled in a place, man. Welcome home. Yeah, mama sita. Alright, so sis, hang your bang there.
Alright, bro.
And you could drink some fridge if you want to drink some drinks.
Yeah.
But don't drink no alcohol. No yet. Alright?
Alright, bro. Go and do
Alright.
your do.
Soon come.
The neighborhood nice. Remote gate. Your brother place nice.
Alright, come on, I'm show you around. Say you don't know, say. Yeah, put on your bag. You don't know, say. It's a living room. Bathroom over there, so. My brother room, all I say, you see. But, Marika, I'm a heart me I use and trust alone. A long time me I use my heart and trust people. You get what me I say?
I
So,
understand.
me bringing you home where me and my brother live. I trust you now. You understand?
Yeah.
Cause me not gonna tell you no lie no. You see that every day, just you want to take a broad piece of wood man and just knock you out with it. Cold too. But based on what you tell me, I just put that aside and just make it go and stay there. So, cause really and truly, I don't like when people run in for my thing, you know. I don't like people running in my space. People don't do that. You understand?
Yeah, I appreciate everything you do for me because nobody never really do this to me, but thanks again for letting me in your home. I nobody feel like say I go there something. I not there nothing. You understand?
Never see you can't do me nothing, you know. You understand? But me know deep down say you can't. But anyway, stills.
Yeah, me, me not good at that.
Anyway, stills. You see, you go and stay yourself in a coach. Cause more while, I don't know some my brother stay, but more while him now, he ain't gonna go and deal with him business. Or he ain't gonna some girl they had, but really and truly, I delivery work him do.
So you tell me say we are left from the place where we are left from bed and me I come and sleep on a couch.
Nothing wrong with coach. Matter of fact, too, me and you will go and kick it off around so. So my time. You understand? Remember, you know what we did there on a bed of rose, you know, so you get this a nice old coach, you feel down, you know, you feel grateful, man, not be ungrateful.
I don't say me ungrateful or nothing. Me just say something.
No, but they are so ungrateful, I know.
No, me not ungrateful.
Alright,
Me really
anyways, now.
appreciate it.
Anyways, now, I really want to say, I don't want you to let me down.
Me have your back, man. Know yourself.
Cause me being real to you, I want you to be real to me too. You understand?
Yeah.
So, just make yourself comfortable and think.
Me like it. Me like the place still. It's nice. Me never know say a place big.
Nice, man. So, I'm going to tell you something. I see everything and my brother control for me. He control money for me and every other little things.
So you're rich?
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Just make yourself comfortable. And as me say, me use my heart and I trust you right now. So don't let me down.
Nah, let her down. Me have your back.
Alright.
Alright, so me think me want to shower up and change out of them clothes there. Alright. I will get something to eat first. Me don't know.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah, me hungry.
No, your brother run in as brother say juice in the fridge and female come mackerel them. You know, say in them nice in them into them now but you know, maybe we can go and get something. What do you think?
Me rather cook something that you know feel for some homemade food.
To tell you the truth, you know. See, cooking thing with me, you know, work. I send out people to get food for me, you know. A matter of fact, not people, my brother, because I not trust people. I send my brother to get food for me and then things. So, for me, go run us go cook.
Well, me love cook, so that's not going to be a problem for me.
Alright, I can chef up something for yourself, then you don't want none do.
Why you not trust me?
No, say, I don't say not trust you, no, I just not feel for nothing right now. Where you go chef up, me don't want. You understand, that's some Kentucky me want right now, so see I road me there again.
Alright then, want that then. Tomorrow me cook.
Alright then.
Alright, so.
Go and freshen up as what you say.
Alright, later.
Go on, pa. There, man, with their road. Which is right. So you say I go on with now. What? As me come on road, my youth, you couldn't make me breeze off. When I tell you something, I try to cool off for them thing there. You couldn't make me cool off, youth. This gym. What? So who you said this gym? Booby? Lord Jesus. Booby? You forgot say me and Booby you seen a dealings? Jaja. Well, from a work, you know. So how your money part go now? Alright. You see money? Give me bread it. Me a show out now. Alright. No. Aye. Soon forward.
Yeah, go.
So Bobby, how you and Jim?
Right now,
What really go on with you and him?
right now, I don't even want to ask about all them man, man. But I choose to ask about them man, I know. Them man, are real. My idea, so you ask about them. Look what I'm gonna say. You ask about Jim.
What you mean by them man them are real?
So you're interested to know why I'm not real? Why?
Yeah, me interested.
Why?
So it we no work for him, so I'm not interested to know.
Man, are not real, man. Them man, are not straight, man. Long story, man. Them man, are not straight, man. So I'm just stay to myself, man, you know. Change up the ball game, you know. Yeah, man. Them man, are very unfair, man.
So you wonder how me call her, right? You're not happy in yourself.
Some of them must have to say.
Oh,
Yeah, most.
I see.
Some of them have to say.
Mhm. So
So,
how things differently with you?
good, man. You know. Alright, man. Rest come check me, you know, so I'm great. Kind of pass out on way, but I feel good for no say come link me still. I laugh after me.
No, me not laugh off of you. You
Oh.
say you feel good, so me a smile.
Yeah, when if I told me run from down the road, come check you out, I go make you laugh saying it. Because when I come in, I see you laugh, I like I say, oh, you run, sir?
Mhm.
Yeah, man, that's all right, man, I do man and thing, man, I have to just, when you call me, I just run. Believe me.
So you excited.
You know, I like express them things, man, but I don't know you're female still, so, I mean, I really like express them things, that's so deep, because remember, you know.
Alright, stop now. Stop.
Mm,
Stop.
what you talk about?
You come
Why?
like say the Lulu. You the Lulu? I saw uno look dirty man stay. Uno just come up in a woman brain and tell them one bag of things. Like uno feel I saw uno get in a woman panty, you know. I saw uno get in a woman panty with no sweet mouth. No bother with me with your sweet mouth. You know what I mean? I take it that away there. Out of that.
Relax, man. I
And that's
want
what
to,
you
you
see?
know, say everything I say from my heart, baby girl.
Heart. From heart. I know me believe Jim.
No, you what?
I know me believe Jim. Jim did right. All it's
No, you're
hey.
gonna make me get serious now. Nobody mention Jim. How much time do you mention Jim
Idiot.
All that for your hand. Eh? All that.
Girl, I want
So yeah, last step with contact. Put my hand over here. So.
What happened?
Oh, what if my hand?
Girl, me go out the door a while ago, me see one dog. And the dog start rush me. And it's a good thing me have a knife, cause me is a girl, me not left my knife. So me just start hammer him, you see me? So, that's how come just see me hand work, so.
I believe you. Why you never just take up one stone and fling off a dog? Dog afraid of stone, you go as far as have your dog. I don't believe that.
Alright.
A lie.
Since I don't believe, pretend like I never see this.
Me try. What? You have to clean. Where your brother is that? But me hungry.
You have hand though.
Yeah, you catch right. I have to go buy one new one. You know that shit is on here.
Jim, you still have a car wash? Yeah, man, to everybody. Alright.
Beck! Beck!
Jason.
What name Jason?
You need Jason, yeah.
My name Jason is.
Oh, much sorry about that. What did I take up from my ex-wife? Sorry about that, yeah. How about I think that we are not like that, so.
Yeah, man. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't think of you as, mental, No, I wouldn't do that.
Mental?
No, I wouldn't do that. Because, when people think of, see a person in front of them, which is not that person, and saying it's somebody else, that would be mental, but that's not you. So, that's what I'm saying. But you're good otherwise, though. You sure? Alright, nice. So, where's Beck?
Should have run a place.
They're in the place? Alright.
Bye.
What a thirsty. Beck!
Yeah.
Tell me something. Me no want toot no horn or you no want make it sound away, but you show your friend alright?
What kind of question to ask
Me say what kind of question me ask you? Anytime me ask you things, me ask you based on surety or something, 50% higher than an opinion.
Bro, the girl good. I just want one thing where they go on with her, she and her sister.
Whoa, so what about with her sister?
She did take his stone and lick her in her head.
Stone? But you tell me back. Wait, talk to me straight.
No, I feel true.
Hmm?
The buckle. My brain really mix up. And the buckle she use. And give his sister. I never want her to it, but his sister drop out. So, I know, bro, people change. In a space of time we did it, so we do change. You understand? So, you don't have nothing to worry about, not the girl.
Me tell you this. Me in the kitchen a while ago. You know the girl come to me and said to me? The girl said to me, Jason, what go on? Jason, look how far B different J.
Who named Jason?
Exactly the question I asked you. So when she said to me, say, Jason, what go on? I said, who named Jason? And she said to me, say, you look like my ex. I don't know if I crazy, she crazy, or she try put on some words for, like just start a conversation. I don't know. So it's like me really, I said to myself, say, I wonder if you know who you are around yourself. In a few place.
Listen. She say, yeah, she think you're the one her ex-boyfriend where she did with the name Jason, right? Maybe it was a person where she did it for long and she miss him till she had a call different person Jason. So I don't nobody pre them the way they bro. Bro God, we not no mad somebody in there. Remember me telling her my heart me and trust the girl, So nobody
Just
say.
make sure you say certain things straight, certain way. That's all me I say. Kind of girl I really I make me start think certain. Cause I don't know I know that first thing. I'm gonna like judge people. I like fi, me not break down people's character. I want them to show me who they are, so me believe them. And but she show me say she mad right now. I'm gonna believe her.
Alright then, bro. Watch her now.
How long she stay here for? Long is long and short of the question. What in your mind? Cause you can't be forever. Or what you plan for other part?
1 2 month me I give girl and put her up back. Make she come up back on her foot and try fi set one little thing for her and get one place for her. Cause bro, so my name big in the streets already and thing. So you not have to come in a circle and stress out yourself like you want to stress me out too. Cause bro, remember say if you go stress out yourself, you make me stress, You understand? And no boy and no girl can make even a little pin drop on you. And me no wipe them out. So stop from stress out yourself. Cause the girl they can't do nothing at all. You understand? She can't do nothing and she can't do me nothing.
You may say now, same. I could just go relax a little bit. This is so crazy. Yo, believe me. So how you sleeping thing about? When I go sleep what this?
Yeah,
You dey young still, but me I say more know what I go on cause
she can't take a coach. Me and her take a coach. And most of the time when I go out, me no sleep when I saw she sleep in her coach.
alright, we see what I go on, but check her. Some I don't know. Just make sure she's good. That's all me I say.
So she run this right now.
Yeah, she run this. I don't want him cause obviously I ask her about the whole situation.
Alright. Marika, what go on with you?
What mean by that?
My brother say you're mental. You mental?
Your brother say me mental.
Yeah, like your mother or something. So I want to know if you bring in one mental somebody in me and my brother house.
No, me tell her it's like since evening when the brother come in like his face just look like for me ex. That's why I walk up to him and call him name, but I never have a purpose of mistake. People make mistake. Nobody not perfect.
But why when the first time you see him, you never said Jason?
I never did I really look for your brother that much because only did I have a conversation I carry in face to you look vexed, ignorant. So I never did I look for him. When he come through the door since evening, in face look like from your ex and just oh wow. You never see somebody and then favor somebody yet.
Why only thing me see Only thing me see my girl. A dopey. So you know what that mean already.
I kind of feel bored, so no ice cream place. Then I want a place so we can go ice cream because me in a house every day from me come from. Me not even want to call him name from me come from this so. Me just want to feel free, like me just want to walk, stretch my leg or something.
Ice cream. That's one great feature, That can go on for a cool long my dear, even though a bad girl not too name ice cream. Get me answer, but
You
can't take a walk. Come on, we take a walk. Shh. Shh. Wait. Come on, we take a walk.
Yo. Welcome back to last.
Sir Hendrix?
Yeah, man, I'm saying this. Who may I say? I want.
Yeah, police.
Police?
Yeah, Mr. Hendrix.
Yes, sir.
More have a word there, you know. Alright?
Are you alone out there, sir?
That no matter you, no my last. More have a word
Alright,
there.
talk to me fast. I'm kind of busy, you know.
Hold on.
Are somebody I look for, bossy?
No, me just make sure say you're alone in there.
I'm alone, yeah, right.
Anyway. Alright. Are your vehicle out there down there? 5294 CC?
Yes, boss. Again, yes. What's the problem? I don't understand why you look like you look for somebody. Nobody not there but me, boss.
Me can come in back?
Yeah, man, stand brothers because you have warrant for enter my property, boss.
That is the reason I ask you first if I can.
Alright, talk to me straight and plain, because we cannot be that missing before.
Anyway, listen to me. We just want to establish that you're a vehicle, you know. And the vehicle, you know, it was involved in a serious crime.
When you say serious crime, what are you talking about?
Serious crime, man. Anyway, we have it on CCTV. That particular vehicle there. You understand? That is the reason why, listen, I will trace it, which led me here, up to your place. And I'm glad they tell me, say, you are the owner. So you know what that mean?
No, I don't know what that means.
All right.
So my vehicle can park anywhere and it got leave off of one spot or something. Or me a drive.
We currently, listen to me, sir. We're currently in an investigation. You understand? We want to get what you mean and the problem where you're in.
Me no problem?
Your vehicle in your yard, that on camera. You understand? So.
Me no problem.
All right.
When you sort out down on a place, then you can. First things first, you shouldn't even come to my place. You have a warrant, sir?
I ask if I can come in and you tell me say yes.
Yeah, because me think
all right. You give up your rights to say that. You tell me if you come in, you know. So just
right.
Anyway.
So me can't tell if you come out now?
You can't say what you want to say now, but me I tell you this, Bridget. Zane, pretty soon, anytime now, we'll come up here for you. And you have to come up to come answer some question.
Don't worry about that.
You have to answer some question.
Look at me. I'm looking at me afraid. Come on, do nothing. Me innocent.
All right.
So me not go act like me I shake or me nervous or nothing like that.
We'll see.
Yourself. Have a nice day, sir. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. We like how you talk now. Here.
So there must be talk.
Look how you see.
What are them?
Bad girl I eat you.
So I never eaten something here before.
By the instant, brother. Anyways, more while happy. Them two ice cream and enjoy life, man.
Which is right.
But to your life around and now. I have to just live it to the fullest. You know what I say? But anyways now my thing ready to go. Turn up one no corner, you know. You know, man, I know either girl go and free out my style. What? I already asked already? I'm ready.
Come on then.
Enjoy ice cream, right? Bruno.
One talk to you in a private.
Alright.
You can go in a room and lock up here.
Go in a room.
She's coming and talk to me.
Oh, bro, what no?
You know, say police come here today.
Police.
Police come here today.
So police come over.
What do you mean what police come here? You have to tell me that where you drive your van go.
But drive your van go and you go buy something and come back.
Tell me the truth.
Alright, bro. I don't like Bobby.
You couldn't call me and tell me say something was going on because when the police are coming in place, me wonder say if I missed it. I didn't even know say police. After I say my police and think I'm done up the door, me no want them go, like I say boy, me I keep them out or this or that. I'm think something what they want to hand to me based on one of your thing them through. Why you do it so early? Why? Me know say you deal with certain things. So Bobby know your man, your ex-man.
Ex-man. And no matter of fact, I'm living with ex. We used to talk. Anyways, you know, say 2 hour work for gym, right? And in this gym, and nobody can this gym and get away with it. And you know, say I'm work that. So I'm work me I do. The only somebody me can save in a life is you. Mommy and daddy not there. Me nah no rest of family. I just you and my family. So if a boy tell me say, them a put money for your head. And them, me I take money and go for them. So him a just one time, so me just analyze him in this gym and I walk. The money not reach there yet.
At that, me see people drop off money, me I say, what money you come to me for? What money you come to me for? Me I say to myself, Jesus Christ, man. Me think I went just one long time payment or something. Me never know say as a reaching, sis, you have to take her easy off your road, you know. Sis, me I talk to you, sis, look for me now, man. Don't do that, man. Just understand, say, take a month or two and make a cool down a little bit. Because I say no police come out here. From police come out the yard, you know what's next. So stay low and lay low. Them all have me the license plate on the car. How you do it? Which way you do it?
Right now, I miss a link shop.
So you know, it's a camera there. You see, you know,
I know it's a camera there, but guess what? I'm the someone has one camera, you know. I know it's a camera there, but a brawling badness me do, you know that too. So what? They can't catch me easy. So when I ask one question, the police come out today, did they try to do any damage to you and touch you or nothing?
No.
So you know how we police?
Leave that alone, man. Make the police.
Bro, me ask one question. You know which police come out today?
I know your questions and the foundation, the root of which party that lead to, you know. So left that alone. You understand me? I say, and you can't. If you can't feel like you can protect me forever and do people certain things. Because certain people still have them parents, you know, like, cause that the youth, you know, so you have one you and take care of still. But at the end of the day, you know what I mean? So you have to calm down, sis.
Listen.
Next thing, me not trust that girl. Yeah, I use your heart, me I use my spirit. Something, bro. But me I left it there, so. You me I say to you, ease off of the receiving phone. Just ease off of it a little bit. You can't do that for me. You can't do that for your brother.
Alright, me I go try. Cause you know, so there's something that me enjoy doing them things there, so wait. Alright.
$3 million.
Bro.
$3 million.
$3 million money?
Yeah. Well, that's what I say, ease off your month.
So when the money they add for the 3 million, how much is that?
Huh?
When the money we get today, when that add for the 3 million we have, how much that?
At 3 million. I must say at 2.5 million, you know.
Bro, 3 million.
You know, I'm going to start though. I'm start sending a text message and time money them forward and time receipt coming on them something so you know exactly what I want.
No.
Sis.
You know me can't deal with the phone thing. Phone thing I informer right now.
Alright.
You see them call coming to me. I don't know number there, you can't check you know. An unknown number coming to me when me get there something there, you know.
But do this to me now, it's easier for us money. You can do that? And make sure that girl that just keep her in your check, don't leave her side, yeah?
Bro, you know, say, I don't promise you, no. But I'm going to try for you. Bro, alright. 1 month.
1 month and it's easier for her. See?
Alright.
I'm not stay here tonight, so you can stay in a room and see?
Alright.
Yeah.
You reached to the end.
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. I must say, alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. All right then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Yes, this is part 1. Remember me telling you, me, hey, me gonna drop some episode 2, 3, and 4. So, you ready? Make sure you're ready, Cause if you never ready before and all them, well, if me never ready before, now me ready. Now me ready. All right. So bless up for yourself and watching up for episode 2. Soon. All right.
Just subscribe yet.